Jordan 5 ladies, $139. 30% off. That comes up to like $100. Got the Jordan 34s and Pegasus Turbo. Ooh, that's a really good deal. $85. The Elements, $60. The all white Elements, $60. 30% off on top of that, man. That's just, man, I'd be thinking about copping. That's crazy. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, man. We're out in Arvin, California. Kind of like near Bakersfield, a little north of Los Angeles. And yeah, they got a Nike outlet out here. So yeah, let's go see what's up, man. Let's go see what's up. Let's go find them deals. Let's see if they got 30% off everything here too. Because I just came from another outlet. They had 30% off everything. Okay, not 30% off everything, but plenty of stuff on sale. Look, plenty of stuff on sale. Let's go start at the hash roll. Those of you guys with small feet, yeah, sorry, but size 10s are normally all over there, but they're over here, so that means they're not going to have many small sizes at all. Look what I see on the hash roll. Look at this. Got some Jordan 5 ladies, $139. 30% off. That comes up to like $100. $105, I think, or something. Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's a steal right there. $100 for some Laney 5s. Some Jumpman Team 2s. Never even heard of that. $80, 30% off. Zoom Fly Nuts. I'm a huge fan of these. All React, $70 for full length React. Dang, got some Jordans. Got some Jordan 33s. What is this? That's 9.5. Jordan 33s. These are dope. Dope. Actually don't look like they're worn. Actually brand new. Look at that. Dope. Huge fan of these. Did I call these the Jordan 33? How dare I? Oh my goodness. Got the Jordan 34s, and I'm looking at it because I'm like, should I cop and should I sell? These aren't my size. But look, like it's all damaged and what's it called? In the cushioning. Cushioning is all jacked up, like it's been worn. It seems obvious it's been worn. Cause look at that, man. That's not gonna pass their goat. Or it better not pass their goat. Oh my God, I'd be so mad if I got these. And man, Nike, y'all need to stop taking stuff back that's been worn. Please stop that. That's a dope cop though. 30% off. That's a dope start, you guys. Really dope start to this trip. Got some Air Max 98s. These are really nice. $160, but you do get that 30 off though. That's what's up. That 30 off makes it worth it. Air Max 720s going for $100, 30% off. I like that colorway too. It's one of my favorite colorways for this sneaker. Okay, the Mars 270, 110. That's a pretty solid deal. 110, not bad. 30% off. The Legacy 312 going for $60, man. $42 after 30% off. That's solid. Anybody need some cleats? Man, look at this. The Alpha Menace Pro, $22, man. Normally $100. So yeah, 30% off of that. That's what, six something. It's like $16, man. $16. They do have a lot of 10s, man. Got the Remix, LeBron 16 Remix. That's way too high. Even with 30% off, that's still higher than we've seen. So yeah, so size 10. Size 10 goes really, really big, but no size 9. Size 8, we got these. These go for $100, 30% off. Smaller size really got nothing today. We got these, what is these? The White Lava, it's also called the Agassiz, also called, I don't know what the hell they're called, but yeah, 9.5s, $160, 30% off. Way too steep, man, way too steep. Did I show this one already? Oh no, we're in size 11s now. Mars 270, $80. Not bad. 270, $80. Get that 30% off on top of that, man. That brings it down big time. $80, what's that, $56? Damn, that's what's up, man. That is what's up. Pegasus, yeah, that's a little high. Pegasus 35. $85, 30% off. Way too high. Wow, look what these are down to. The up tempos. These started off at 200 for $80. $80, and you get 30% off on top of that. So about $56, dude. $56. That's crazy. For the up tempo 720s. Crazy. Dang, they sure got a lot of those Mars 270s. I still got the regular 720s too. $90, 30% off for those. Like the LeBron 16 Thanos or the Atomic Purple. Wow, going for retail, man. That's crazy. Even with the discount, it's crazy. I got those for what, $72 something? Clearance center? That's crazy. Size 11, more Laneys. Plenty of Laneys here. Damn, that's pricey. 110. Hey, I haven't seen those for over 100 in a while. Same price, different colorway. Still expensive. Okay, these were down everywhere, so yeah, that's $42 after 30% off. Air Force Max, I haven't seen these in a while. $70, 30% off. And everybody getting 30% off these Mambas now, huh? The Mamba Focus, these actually don't look bad. I don't know what technology's behind it, but they don't look terrible. $70, 30. Not really much for you size 13ers. $90 for these Vomero 14s. That's pretty much about it. So you got these, okay. Still got the 270s, the Mars 270s. Pegasus Turbo, ooh, that's a really good deal. $85, 12 and a half. That's crazy.
Come on.
Oh, size 13 people got the Elements, $60. The all white Elements, $60, 30% off on top of that, man. That's what's up. I got a little bit for these size 13 people. $95, 30% off, 95, not bad. These are always around, but yeah, $90, 30% off. Don't forget to press that like button if you like this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you've watched a few of the videos, don't forget to subscribe because there are plenty of you guys that have. So yeah, subscribe and press that notification so you know when the new videos come out. Y'all know I drop a whole lot of videos, so yeah, let's continue on, you guys. All right, their Jordan section here is uber super duper mediocre. Yeah, $69 for these Max R's. Legacy 312s, $60. No additional discounts. Photo Max 720s. Photo Max 720s. These have been sitting everywhere. We saw these like what, 3 months ago for what, $50? That Shoe Palace, man, that's crazy. More of the same. Same old, same old. How are these still $100, man? This is the Zoom Rise, the wannabe Alpha Dunks. Wannabe Alpha Dunks with the Zoom Air unit in the front. But yeah, just go get some Alpha Dunks. Look for those on sale. They look better. Mamba Focus, too high, too high. Mamba Rage, way too high. Witnesses, I'm sure these are dope for balling though. Price is pretty good, $60. I bet you could buy better stuff for cheaper. Air Force Max low, $70. Price is still dropping. Price has been dropping. Same old, same old. Air Max 2017, finally under $100, man. Where it should be. Plenty of sizes, all the way from 7 to 13. Got the Sunsets, 110, 20% off. I don't know what. Oh, I'm sorry. Air Max Plus Sunsets. Dang, going for what? $90, 80 some dollars. They got from 9 to 13. Now these are mediocre. All right, the Elements price is going down. There you go. More Elements, price is still going down. All black one. That's what's up. Damn, I was waiting for these to go under 100, and now they're way under 100. No, yeah, no, these are the ones I've been waiting for, man. These are dope. I like these. I got these. I got the light blue ones, the patent leather light blue ones. I got those for significantly cheaper, but oh man, I got too many pairs. I got too many pairs of shoes recently. Got too many. I'm gonna go pick up the Bread 11s tomorrow. They got from 8 to 13. So you know what? These maybe they'll keep going down. I'll wait till next month, see if they keep going down, and I'll cop them then. Air Max 200s, they keep going down. That's what's up. These have not been in the outlets very long, but they still keep going down. That's what's up. That's a great price. I'm not the biggest fan of the silhouette, but still great price. These tailwinds, I feel like they've been at the outlets forever. But yeah, the prices keep going down. Okay, these are going down. We saw one in the clearance aisle for 120% off, but yeah, it's still not bad. Not bad. I think the 270 Reacts, I think these are new to the outlets. But apparently this colorway isn't, because yeah, 20% off, that's what's up. I kind of like the black one better, but yeah, not bad. We are looking through the apparel section. Looking for a medium hoodie just like this, 40 bucks. 40 bucks. T-shirts going for 20 bucks. These are the fleece shirts going for 40 bucks, man. That's way too pricey. Okay, is that the Air Max 97 logo? Yeah, 45 bucks for that one. So certain things are 30, 40% off, certain things are not. These Nike dry fit shirts going for 40% off. Can't find the price though. Oh, the price is inside, that's why. Oh, this one's going for 25. It's probably 25 bucks. Damn, that's pricey. The $25 section, huh? Not bad, they got this. Mostly polyester though. But yeah, pullover, 25 bucks. Camo black one, 25 bucks. 25 for that one too. I'll cover a little bit of t-shirts here, 25 bucks. This is supposedly on clearance, 25 bucks. Nike dry fit golf polo, 20 bucks, not bad. Normally like 60 bucks. Like a gray jacket, a gray fleece jacket going for 32, not bad, not bad. Got one of these extra fluffy ones. You saw this at the clearance center. Yeah, I don't know what the price is, but normally it's 100 bucks. Dang. JDI shirt, 25, 40% off. Got that right there, dope. All right, so I think I'm getting this for a family member. It's a medium. And this is the one that's going for 25 bucks. That's what's up, 25 bucks for a pullover, man. Look at all the holes in the women's section clearance. It's like, wow, it's bare. There's really not much here. But yeah, size 7's a Zoom Fly 3 rise. 115. Damn, I've never even seen these. Kind of pricey. Let's see what this Pegasus 35 going for. 85 bucks. I bought these in the women's section, size 12. I got them for, what, $28? That's crazy. Got some foams. Let's see what the foams going for. 159. 159. 30% off on top of that though. Alright, not bad. Pegasus Turbos. Pegasus Turbos. I'll go for retail. I should get the 30. Vomeros, kind of a funky colorway. It's like a purplish, bright purple. 65 bucks, that's a steal right here. 65 bucks, $140 shoes. Get 30% off on top of that. See, but see, these are less desirable shoes, but better colorway. 85 bucks, 30% off. We've seen these Vapor Max here. We've seen it for way cheaper though. Dang, we saw these. Dang, I think we saw these at the Long Beach store on sale with the full box and everything. But yeah, we've seen these Vapor Max on sale a few times, so yeah, that's way too pricey. Damn, they do not want to give any sales on the Vapor Max. That's crazy. 100 bucks, man. That's a size 10. That's pretty big for a women's size. All right, the women's clearance section, a little rough. Let's go look at the aisles. All right, these are some good price in the aisles. Odyssey React 2 Flyknits, 70 bucks, not bad. Those are normally what, 120? And they started at 120, not bad. More of the same, good price. Same stuff, different colorway. Vomeros, these have gone up. I'm sorry, these haven't gone up. Vomero 14s, these haven't gone down at all. Neither of these haven't gone down either. Oh yeah, that's what's up, you guys. This is what's up. Vapor Max. These are like some of the newer ones. This is a Vapor Max Flyknit 3s. It's got that Flyknit construction that everybody loves. Nice, man. Nice. Probably gets it close to 100 bucks. Dang, these joyrides, they didn't do too well, huh? They haven't been out that long. Neither have these, man. That's crazy. Man, if they have the guys colorway or any of the guys colorways at this price, man, I'd be thinking about copping. That's crazy. This one even looks a little bit better, but dang, great price. Yeah, these are ugly, man. Let's hurry up and leave. Some interesting Air Max Plus. I've never seen it. Some interesting Air Max Plus. I've never seen these. Look at that. Looks like there's like little mesh wires, little wires running across. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. It's like little wired, and then there's like little bits of plastic inside. Like, holy crap. Like if you went like this, like it would, like it should move. Look, you could actually see the little bits of plastic or whatever moving. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know what that is, man. I have no clue what that is, but yeah, man, that's definitely unique. Definitely unique. But $90, 30% off. I don't know what these are called. What are these? The Nike V-Love OX. We've seen this a few times, but these look super old school. Look super old school. They look kind of cool. Good price. Wow, under $40. That's the cheapest we've ever seen these Forest Scouts. Dang. Regular Cortez, man. All white and black, man. $45. Under $40 after 20% off. That's what's up. Yeah, not bad. Element 55. Not bad. Colorway's not bad. This is the one where it looks like it's leather. It's like suede or something, but it's not. But yeah, not bad. Even cheaper. Not bad of a colorway. Not bad. All right, last thing I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to head out because I have a couple other stores to hit up. Look at this. A little tag embroidered on it. That is dope. I don't know why, but I really like that t-shirt. All black with that little embroidered Nike thing. It's like $20-some, like $24.99 or something. Not on sale, so we gonna keep it going. Oh, okay, it was $21.99. My bad. The gray one, right there. Same thing. Pretty cool. These are the dopest shoes here, so I'm gonna use this for a thumbnail. Jordan 33. I said it again. Jordan 34s. Jordan 34s, man. This is the something blue color. I forgot what it is, but yeah, this is by far the dopest shoes here. This wasn't worn, and if it didn't have creases all over the, I don't think you can see it, but yeah, if it didn't have creases all over, I'd totally cop it and resell this bad boy. But yeah, so we got to let it go. Christmas shopping done. I wish Christmas shopping was done. Not even close. But yeah, I finished up a little bit of Christmas shopping. Let's go pay for this and head. I only spent $25, so look what I'm missing out on. Look what I'm missing out on. Yeah, and usually I look for stuff to buy, but man, I've been spending way too much. And I got the breads. Got the bread 11s that I gotta get tomorrow morning. Yeah, can't do it, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead, push that thumbs up button. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Please subscribe, man. There's plenty of you guys watching that haven't subscribed yet. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, press that notification button so you know when new videos come out. I do drop a whole lot of videos. I really do drop videos often as almost anybody else on YouTube. So yeah, make sure you go ahead, check out my videos on a daily basis, and check out some of my old videos. I got all kinds of videos where I'm out shopping, I'm reviewing shoes, I'm doing all kinds of sneaker stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.